Hello, my name is Luka Mihalic alongside with Eidos, Alex, and Maxime. We would like to present to you our final creative advertising presentation on Toss Winery.
Our goal is to implement the marketing plan we have provided to Toss Winery. We would like to show them how they can grow and achieve higher success in their highly competitive market.
Toss Winery was established in the year of 2005 and was successfully operating for more than 10 years. It's a family-owned business which is located in Whiteland on the lower slopes of the Niagara Escarpment. Toss Winery was named the best Canadian winery of the year in 2010, 2011, and 2012. Toss Winery is a currently up-to-date and a respectable company. However, we have an IMC plan that will benefit the company.
Our IMC plan objectives are to create a new marketing plan, implement the changes, demonstrate and prove the benefits of change, provide more brand awareness, and provide more brand opportunity in the market.
At Toss Winery, we have a clear target market that their products attract to. The target market is technically anyone of the age who could consume the product. However, Toss's Winery target audience is around 30+ established people looking for a reputable wine to drink. Toss currently hosts an executive wine tasting room for prestige members. This has been an issue in the past with reviews because people are saying that it's a very busy winery, it's very loud tasting rooms, and they see other people going into quieter rooms that they're not allowed to get to. They could have other options for customers to attract more consumers. This is where Toss's IMC plan must utilize all of the IMC communication tools in order to be successful.
So our broad IMC program includes advertising, sales promotion, direct marketing, public relations, as well as interactive marketing.
So our specific IMC strategies are events and sponsorships and direct marketing. However, events and sponsorships is very important. Toss is a well-known winery in its area and it seems to be well respected and holds a strong name to pair with their products. This makes events and sponsorships a very useful tactic of advertising for Toss. In the Niagara region, there are quite a few wine festivals over the warm months, and Toss can attend these to earn money as well as recognition towards their brand. However, there are some colder months in the year as well in Canada, and they need to be able to reach their local members that aren't technically going into these wine tastings over this warmer months.
Our events and sponsorship costs around between $7,000 and $10,000 to partner with the association that run these individuals.
So when you become a member of the festival association that runs the Grape and Wine and all the other ones, you pay your $7,000 to $10,000 and you're allowed to represent your wine at the festival. However, the drawback on this is the festival keeps all the festival profits and you're still distributing the wine. The good thing is you're making a large sale of say 1,000 bottles to the festival, and you still get to represent your company. Something else that could be thought about is connecting with the vendor there and having a deal. Whether if you bring a Toss glass from getting a sample at Toss, you get 10% off at a vendor to pair your wine with the food. It could be a beneficial way to attract customers that would rather food with their wine, and others aren't offering that. Direct marketing is a cheap and effective way of advertising and researching the demographic. Brochures cost around 13 cents per unit, which costs around $65 for 500 copies.
Facebook ads are also effective due to the age demographic. Older social media users tend to use Facebook over Instagram and Twitter.
If you were to look at cost per click of a Facebook ad, it's around 27 cents per click, and it can be very effective because the older demographic is on Facebook more than Instagram and Twitter, like Alex said, and it's a very easy platform to get in contact to put your ads up. Another good one is LinkedIn. A lot of professionals drink wine, and that is a common ground for many people in the demographic that Toss is reaching.
We would like to have the opportunity to demonstrate positive changes to keep up to date with the changing marketplace, and we would like to help Toss Winery with our marketing plan.
To add to Max, we have done deep research in the wine market and we have realized the shift in advertising tools.
We have realized that this market is a huge market that is turning away from the large curve of social media marketing, and our IMC plan provides you with ways to stay in the loop. Thank you for your time and have a great day.
Thank you.